Welcome to Kuha Show. Doesn't this look delicious? Well, if you want to make this barbecue chicken in the Instapot, let's get to it. Very easy. You are going to just put your chicken in your Instapot like so. You're going to put a little garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and a little salt and pepper, chicken broth, and then now that barbecue sauce, which is going to make this even more delicious and what we are here for. 15 minutes in the Instapot. And voila! After the 15 minutes is done, you have a nice, quick, easy Instapot meal. Come back to Kuha Show for more easy Instapot meals and other easy meals.